This is crazy, and I had no idea that I would even have to make a video on this, but people are breaking their Square Omnis. They're bricking their units, and I don't want that happening to anyone in my community. So first of all, subscribe so you can stay updated on all things Budget Launch Monitor. This one is crazy. Admittedly, I spent more time on Reddit. I do Reddit at night. Nobody does Reddit, but a month ago I saw this post and somebody thought they were having issues with their Omni connection. So they took it upon themselves, and this shouldn't even happen. And so I wasn't gonna make a video on it, but it's now happened again. Somebody took it upon themselves to go to the Square Golf website and find the updates section, which was originally intended for the Square Golf Home Edition, not the Omni, and they downloaded a new update onto their Omni that bricked their unit. How is that even possible? Because there's no USB connection on the Omni, but there actually is. So if you take off the legs, and there's another channel, Garage Golfers, that put out a video on how you can actually access the impact camera, so you can actually see the Square Omni at impact. There's 2 USB-C slots under your Omni, and you can actually plug them into your computer. I do not recommend doing that, but if you're desperate for an update, definitely don't do that. The Square Omni updates automatically when you connect it to the Square Golf app. There is nothing you need to plug into a computer. It's all wireless. It's crazy that I even have to say that. And I wasn't even gonna make this video until I saw another post on Reddit yesterday about the exact same thing happening. Another person downloaded the Square Golf firmware update onto their computer and then took it upon themselves to try to plug their Omni into their computer. There are no visible USB-C slots, so I don't even know how people are taking theirs apart, and you're probably voiding your warranty, which is a whole nother subject. Don't know what happened to the second guy, but the first guy thankfully said Play Better is sending it back and they're gonna send them another unit in the next batch. And that's just another reason why I always recommend going through a licensed retailer. More than that, I'm partnered with Play Better, and I recommend shopping through Play Better. They 100% have the best customer service when it comes to these golf tech items. I know a lot of people kind of jump ship on Play Better because their wait times were so long compared to some other retailers out there like Rain or Shine. People were talking about Rain or Shine has it in stock. And then a lot of people ran over to Rain or Shine. And then I saw this other post on Facebook talking about how somebody got theirs from Rain or Shine. The unit, I think it wasn't working. It had a serious rattle after they took it out of the box, and the unit would not pick up the ball. So they contacted Rain or Shine, filled out the warranty info. Rain or Shine, they said they wouldn't take out a unit from the current inventory. They basically set them back in line, which is crazy because this user then had to decide where they wanted to get their Omni from. Again, I mean, that is a retailer with customer service. They responded, they're willing to help, but that's kind of crazy. That's just why I recommend Play Better. And just ask for this issue. Please don't go around taking your Omni apart, trying to plug it into your computer. Just, I mean, ask me if you have a question, and I'll do the best I can to help you out. Ask the community before you start taking your unit apart. It's crazy that people are even doing this, that this is even happening. So just stay safe out there. Don't download random updates onto your launch monitor, and you shouldn't have a problem, but I don't know. What do I know? Subscribe for more, and I'll try to keep you in the loop so this doesn't happen to you.